Good morning, Funky family. This is Toby from Funky Worship, and we're here today at the Castle Studios in Röhrsdorf, and I'm here today with Arno Jordan, who is responsible for making us sound good. And Arno, maybe you can tell us a little something about yourself, about the studio, about the community that lives here.
Yeah, the studio is located in Castle Röhrsdorf. A beautiful place. But the whole thing is based on miracles. So basically, we started this community because we saw this castle for sale, and then we prayed, "Oh God, please send somebody who buys it so we can live here." Yeah, but it happened. I was invited to Canada to teach at a music school, and there I met Dave, an artist, and he asked me, "Hey, are you from Germany? I want to buy a castle and I need some people to care for it." And we said, "Oh, there is a God."
Yeah.
So it was quite amazing.
That's amazing. Wow.
He came, he bought the place, and then we were in here 3 months. And I got a phone call from a Swiss guy from Frankfurt, and he said, "I have the impression from the Lord you should have a Neve desk."
Yeah.
And to explain, Neve desk is the most amazing, funky recording console you can ever dream of.
Yeah.
It's kind of the most famous records worldwide have been made on Neve desks.
Yeah, and you have a lot of artists who come here to record their albums and studio sessions, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we have. It started with local acts, and the news spread worldwide. We have people from America. We have producers here who work with Johnny Cash and whatever coming to this place because they like the equipment, they like the people, they like this the setting and this beautiful orchards outside. Castle Studios has become a name in recording business.
So, and why do you think Funky Worship is a good fit for the Castle Studios in Röhrsdorf?
Because we are brothers and sisters in faith.
Yes, amen.
And also, I mean, Funky Worship, this is awesome musicians. I really like the way you work. It's professional, and it's not easy to make a recording in one room sound good without all this vintage equipment. It's like the story of Motown. Motown recordings have all been made in one room. And they had, we have a lot of stuff that they also use. I think maybe that's the thing why I really love Funky Worship being here, because we can make something happen that it's hard to do in other places.
Wow. And we're really happy to have you, because we couldn't do it without you.
It's fun. Thank you.
All right, so Arno, you told us a lot about the studio and all the technical aspects and the equipment you have, but maybe you can show us something and go into more detail about the stuff that you have here that makes this studio special.
Okay, I think one forgotten truth is that a lot of the sound has been shaped by transformers. And transformers, that's not these robot things going on. It's just simply a device that transfers music without an electronic connection. Like this one. This is our two military transformers built into kind of a DI box, and they shape the sound wonderfully. And transformers are built in most of all the old equipment that we use. Like if you follow me over to the floor, this is kind of this is a reverb plate, and it's an EMT 140 built in the 60s, and it has an amazing sounding reverb. We have the basement, another secret. It's the reverb. If you follow me for a second?
Of course.
So here you can also hear what's happening. This is a reverb chamber.
Oh wow, this is
Try
amazing.
singing you, Toby.
Oh, a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name. Wow, this is amazing.
These are, we use these speakers to play music from the desk in this room.
Oh, okay, now I see.
And we use those two microphones then to record it back, and we can mix it into the recording.
While the session is still going on, you mix it. Wow, this is amazing. I didn't know that.
And this kind of reverb is also very special. It adds dimension without smearing the clarity.
And you can also adjust the volume, like how much you want to use of this reverb. Oh wow, this is amazing.
And also what you see, we have a lot of equipment that's special, like a timpani, a vibraphone, old synthesizers, even the worst instrument on this earth, a bagpipe. And everything is working and everything is usable.
Yeah, yeah.
So in here, that's the core of the studio. The Neve desk, I already told about it. Also kind of a tone shaping device is the equalizer. And we have very special ones. These are Siemens W295.
Okay.
Or we have the Telefunken W695.
Okay.
And a lot of other stuff like compressors and a lot of sound shaping device, old tube preamps which are highly regarded.
Yeah, yeah.
But as I said, the whole studio and the whole community is based on miracles.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah, that's why you're here.
Yeah, and I think it's also the same with Funky Worship, that we get to do this is a miracle that God made happen, and we're really thankful to be here as a worship group, and yeah, let's hope we will continue this collaboration in the future.
Amen.
Amen.